Now tell me, how can such a little doggy make so much noise? This cracks me up all the time. I'm just gonna move back so see if you can hear me. So Lacey's doing really well. As most of you know, she had some eye surgery, some eye issues, but she's been doing really good. But this is what our days consist of now, more than anything. Just a lot of naps and a lot of noisy naps. But I'm just happy. You know, her walking is still not the greatest, but that's just all part of being 14 years old, I'm sure. And she gets a lot of eye drops, so that's keeping her eye issue under control. And oh, is she subsiding a little bit now? Here I'm always crawling around on the floor. Oh, maybe she heard me talking a little bit. You know, she's very restless during the night. That's probably why she's sleeping so much during the day. So of course she keeps us up at night with all her moving around because she wants to always sleep with us. But that's okay. I like her being nearby. That's why I know that she's doing okay. All right, guys. So everyone have a good weekend, and maybe her next video will be a little bit more interesting. All right. Take care, everyone. Hey, look who woke up. Just want to add this at the end. This is probably an hour after what I just videoed. You want to say hi to everybody? Nope, now she's going to be all dopey. Say okay, say I'm awake, I'm okay. Ready to go back to sleep? Okay. See you later.